Welcome to the unboxing guide for the 55-inch narrow bezel video wall displays. As a first step, check the carton box for integrity, noting if there are any damages on the outside and taking a minute to look at the instructions at the front. When unpacking, release the carton clips from the sides to get easier access to the display. Remove the upper carton and carefully pull down the static bag. This way, you are able to access the visa fixing points for the brackets used for the wall mounts without removing the display from the box. At the front of the display, you will find caution information to avoid damage to the LCD due to wrong handling, such as placing the display on the floor outside the carton box or removing the protective cushions too early. Always use the handles of the display and do not touch the front side nor the edges. If you need to put down the display, for example after removing the static bag and the foil, always use the base of the box, which has a protective foam in it. Before starting with the installation, take a look at the included items such as cables, manuals and spacers. To evaluate the condition of the display on delivery and before installation on the mounting, please plug in the power cord and a signal cable and turn on the display. When lifting the display to the wall mounts, only use the handles. When the display is securely placed on the wall mounts, remove the 4 protective side cushions carefully. Only remove the thick foam cushion and do not touch the tape on the edge of the bezel. If your wall mount does not have a mechanism to be released to the front, remove the side cushions before placing it to the mount without placing it on the floor. On the upper edge of each display, you will find a folded protection stripe. Unfold it towards the front for protection from the display to be installed on the top of this unit. Take the supplied spacer and place them flush at the back of each corner, which will have a display next to it. After you installed all of the units, gently pull from the unfolded protective stripes, which now should be looking out at the front, ripping off the unnecessary half. After fully daisy chaining the displays with video signals and LAN cables and configuring the video wall, you will enjoy the performance and power of the new NEC video wall platform.